Hi and welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Right now we'll be creating a document with Google Slides. Google Slides is a free program that's provided by Google. It's part of the Google suite. Google Slides is basically a free alternative to PowerPoint. Now I'll be showing you how to create a basic logo. You notice that I'm creating just shapes, and instead of using multiple shapes, I just use the one shape there and just make a copy of it. What that does is just save time. I wonder if you can guess what I'm making right now. Because Google Slide is a presentation program, you could see that I'm making like a slide projector. And again, just something simple. The reason why I use the just basic black and white color, because right now I don't want to focus on choosing the colors. I just want to work on finishing the design. Just grabbing a handle there, and boom. And notice that you could change the inside of the shape or just the outline. You could use whatever color you want. Now I'm adding S for slides, and you could use whatever font you want that's available through Google Docs, Google Slides. I just use the Zilla Slab font, and because it's a word art, I could squish the font and make it smaller or larger. I just made a copy of the slide and specifically copied the logo that I made, part of the logo. Alright, so now I see made with. I use the same Zilla Slab font. There you go. And again, instead of just going back to insert new word art, I just make a copy of the word art that was there and just manipulate it to how it works with me. There you go. It's really simple. It's a simple program. Now I'm going to show you how to make changes in color. See, just simple, just like that. There's a list of sampling of colors that are there already, and you can also put in your own color code to get the color combination that you want. And just like that, I have my Made with Slides logo, and we'll present it right now so you can see what it looks like. This will look like in the beginning and in a new color. How to create a basic logo with Google Slides. Thank you.